Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to get started with GitHub Codespaces. Now you actually don't need to install anything, but you do need a private repository. So this is your Learn Git Basics assignment. So if you're working on the Install Linux assignment, you'll need to go to this assignment and create your first repository a little bit early. You should still use this repository for your Learn Git assignment. So go ahead and you'll click this button right here and you'll go to GitHub Classroom. And you'll need to select your name from this list. After you've selected your name, it'll start to create a Git repository for you. So you can just wait maybe 10-15 seconds and then refresh. And then you'll get a link here that you can go to your repository. And you can see here that we have this create a code space, right? So all you have to do is click on this link and click here. And basically what it's creating is a virtual machine in the cloud, and it's all connected up to this repository so that you can work on your files in the repository. After a few minutes, it will fully set up, and you can see now you have Visual Studio Code inside of your browser. So you can view your files over here and edit them up here, and then you have a terminal window down here. And this terminal window is not running commands on your local machine, it's actually running commands on this virtual machine that it created up in the cloud. And so you want to make sure that we have a GCC installed. This is what is a C compiler, and G++ is a C++ compiler. And also we have our make tools all installed. So everything's already installed and set up. So that's pretty good. And then all you have to do to turn in your assignment is put your name here. And then you can take a screenshot of this and turn in your install Linux assignment.